Okay, as a home inspector, we are generalists in a lot of principles. We know a lot about roofs and we know a lot about air conditioning systems. But, in practice, a roofer or an HVAC technician should know more about their, disciplines than a home inspector. But that being said, when trying to, ascertain whether an air conditioning system is operating perfectly, home inspectors are left with just measuring the temperature differential between the air return register and then the air supply registers. And then from there we make some crude calculations. It's shade tree mechanics, but I spent about 7 years installing air conditioning before I got to be a home inspector. So I know a little bit about what I taught. I feel comfortable with my shade tree mechanic techniques. And so what I'm looking for myself is between 16 and 24 degrees temperature differential between the air return and the air supply. And I'm getting 22 degrees. 22 degrees. So the air conditioning system, in my opinion, is performing the function for which it's intended. It's actually operating very well today in the here and now. Okay, this room right here is the front bedroom. Okay, the west bedroom. And this room, maybe because it's the west bedroom, the windows should not have any effect. The air duct is insulated. This is the warmest air in the structure. Okay? And then this is the second bedroom. Wait a minute. A word from our sponsor. Then the second bedroom, or the east bedroom, this is the coldest room in the house. The air is colder here. And the east bedroom door, I think I've already got notes of that. East bedroom door swings closed on its own accord. So that's it. And by the way, out of the gate, sorry about the spam call. Out of the gate, there shouldn't be no more than 2 degrees temperature differential between these two. These are the most extreme. Between any two. And I'm getting 8 degrees temperature differential. I don't usually call it out until it's 3 degrees. So I encourage my client, all of my clients, for that matter, on new construction, once you get your drapes installed, once you get your couches and your furniture, installed, and the home is the way you want to live in it, have your HVAC guy come out, or gal. Guy is like a Yankee term, So have your HVAC, technician come out and balance the system so that you don't have the equator room over here and the North Pole room over here. So you don't have climate change as you're walking through the home. The entire home is the same temperature. Balancing it will make you feel a lot more comfortable. And like I said, I'm getting an 8 degree temperature differential between those two registers, so that